There are only a few things we need to do to make this work. We'll add custom MIDI commands for soloing and unsoloing track 5. We store and name each new MIDI command as a user MIDI setting. This only needs to be done once. The user MIDI that you create becomes reusable throughout all the presets. Here's a look at the settings for soloing track 5. Refer to the Aeros documentation for all the MIDI commands possible. Let's begin a new preset and set it up like in the example. The BPM first gets set to 114. We want a count-in of 2 bars when pressing the Q start command. We'll make it so the metronome click will only be heard during the Q start phase. The default metronome is 1/8 notes with a quarter note accent. We'll change the accent to dotted quarter to suit the material. Up to 8 user MIDI commands can be assigned to various trigger types or actions. The solo and unsolo commands will be performed by a toggle action on the user foot switch. The preset will be ready after we name, save, and load it. The only way to import audio into Aeros currently is to record it. CLOCKstep can help by syncing both a DAW and Aeros together, as well as sending the start and cued stop command to both. After recording all the tracks, we can use CLOCKstep to help make a performance out of them.